Greetings, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we explore the healing wonders of Mother Earth with a Jamaican flavor. If you're new to the channel, my name is Monique, and I'm a 50-year-old plant enthusiast from Jamaica. On this channel, we pretty much strive to educate people like you on the health benefits and medicinal uses of plants that are grown in Jamaica and in other parts of the world. So consider subscribing. It's totally free, and turn on your post notifications so you'll get an alert when we upload our next video. So, Jamaica, known for its rich biodiversity and deep-rooted herbal traditions, is home to a plethora of plants with medicinal properties. Among these, several herbs are celebrated for their anti-inflammatory effects, offering natural remedies for conditions such as arthritis, asthma, and other inflammatory disorders. This video will be part one of several videos which explores 4 Jamaican herbs renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties, where you can get some of them to buy, and some necessary precautions to consider before incorporating these herbs into your health regime. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Before we go any further, I just want to make you aware that if you want to learn a lot more about indigenous herbs and herbal medicine, make sure to come to the BIPOC Herbalism Conference on September the 7th and 8th. It's going to be a 2-day live virtual conference. We're going to be having 20 speakers from all over the world, including Jamaica. These people are herbalists, herbal educators, and plant custodians, teaching you about their herbs and herbal medicine. And you can ask them any question pertaining to herbs and herbal medicine. To find out more and to be a part of it, please click on the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Guinea hen weed, which is scientifically known as Vetiveria alliaceae, is a potent medicinal herb used extensively in traditional medicine throughout the Caribbean and Central and South America. Here in Jamaica, it grows wildly and organically in people's yards, along roadsides, and in other green spaces. It is well known for its wide range of health benefits, including its strong anti-inflammatory properties. Guinea hen weed is rich in bioactive compounds such as flavonoids, triterpenes, and sulfur-containing compounds, which contribute to its anti-inflammatory effects. The herb works in several ways to reduce inflammation and is traditionally used to treat various types of inflammation, including joint and muscle inflammation, respiratory inflammation, and skin inflammation. It is often used to alleviate pain and inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis, rheumatism, and muscle pain. It can be taken internally as a tea or applied topically in the form of poultices or ointments. It is commonly used to treat respiratory conditions such as asthma, where inflammation of the airways is a primary concern. It helps to reduce mucus production and ease breathing. It is also applied topically to treat inflammatory skin conditions such as rashes, sores, and infections. It helps to reduce redness, swelling, and discomfort. While Guinea hen weed is widely used and generally considered safe when used appropriately, there are several precautions to keep in mind. It is advisable to speak to your healthcare provider before using it, especially if you have an underlying health condition or you're taking prescribed drugs. Guinea hen weed is not recommended for pregnant women or those who are trying to get pregnant because it can stimulate uterine contractions, which could lead to miscarriage. It is also advised to avoid using it while breastfeeding due to the lack of sufficient safety data. It may interact with certain medications, especially those that affect blood clotting or blood sugar levels. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider if you are on medication. Although it is generally safe in moderate doses, excessive use can lead to toxicity. It is recommended to adhere to traditional dosages or those advised by a qualified herbalist or healthcare provider. Leaf of life, which is scientifically known as Biophyllum pinnatum, is a succulent plant widely used in traditional medicine, especially in the Caribbean, Africa, and Asia. It is known for its broad range of medicinal properties, including its use as an anti-inflammatory agent. It can be found growing wildly and organically along roadsides, in people's yards, and in other green spaces. In traditional medicine, the leaves of leaf of life are crushed and applied topically to reduce inflammation, swelling, and pain associated with conditions like arthritis, wounds, and insect bites. It is also used internally in the form of teas to treat internal inflammation, such as respiratory inflammation. Several studies have investigated the anti-inflammatory effects of leaf of life. Research suggests that the plant contains various bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, triterpenoids, and bufadienolides, which contribute to its anti-inflammatory properties. While leaf of life is generally considered safe in traditional use, overuse or improper preparation could lead to adverse effects. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid using leaf of life due to the lack of comprehensive studies on its safety during these periods. The plant may interact with certain medications. It is therefore essential to consult a healthcare provider before combining it with other treatments. Turmeric, which is scientifically known as curcuma longa, is a popular spice and herb used in Jamaican cuisine and traditional medicine. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Curcumin inhibits pro-inflammatory molecules, reducing inflammation and pain, and is commonly used in folk medicine to help combat ailments such as arthritis, sinusitis, and digestive disorders. Turmeric in small doses for culinary purposes is considered safe. However, if it is taken as a supplement in gel or tablet form, it can be a problem. It is therefore best to speak to a healthcare provider and a qualified herbalist before taking turmeric in these forms. Cowfoot leaf is the common name for the plant Piper umbellatum. It is also known by other names depending on the region. It is a shrub that can be found growing wildly and organically in cow pastures, in forests, and in other green spaces. In folklore medicine, the plant is used both internally and externally to treat a wide range of maladies, including inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, rheumatism, and inflamed tumors. These traditional uses have been supported by some scientific studies that confirm that the plant has anti-inflammatory properties. Cowfoot leaf is generally considered safe when used topically. However, when used internally, it can interact with some prescribed drugs. It's advisable to speak to your medical doctor before taking this herb, especially if you have an underlying health condition or you are taking prescribed drugs. It's also best to speak to a qualified herbalist about dosage and frequency of use. If you want to learn more about each of the herbs mentioned in today's video, including a detailed description of their physical characteristics, which is recommended for those who want to forage these herbs in the wild, and other medicinal uses, please click on the links in the description below. Some of these herbs can be bought on Amazon. To take a look at the latter, please click on the links in the description below. That's it for now, my beautiful people. I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, please drop a like and leave a comment. This will help the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to a wider audience. Please share the video as well so that others can benefit from the information provided. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.